It's summertime, so it's hot outside. It's when the drinks are flowing, the ice cream is being scooped out, and you want your meals to be light and refreshing as well. Today I'm going to be making a delicious oven-baked chicken tender and a delicious mango slaw. I have here some beautiful boneless, skinless chicken tenders. We are doing this delicious mayonnaise-based breading on it. Then in this dish, we have what's gonna help that chicken tender crisp up in the oven. So we have panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our chicken tenders and we are going to coat it with that mayo and Dijon and the smoked paprika. Dip it into our breadcrumbs here, give it a nice coating. And look at this, you're not gonna believe how well this crisps up in the oven. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the rest of these and then we're gonna pop them into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're gonna move on to our delicious mango slaw. Now with kids on summer break and myself expecting, mangoes are great because they're full of vitamin C, they're full of folate. So not only are you getting something refreshing and bright and delicious, you're also filling your body with healthy food. This is a Tommy Atkins mango. They're a little bit more firm, and so they're perfect to julienne like we're doing today. The way you tell if they're nice and ripe is that if they give a little bit. If you squeeze it and it gives, that means it's ripe and ready. If it's too hard, maybe skip that one until the next time. Now I know mangoes can be intimidating to cut, but I promise that with these quick and easy tips, you'll be cutting mangoes like a pro in no time. So one trick I have for cutting mangoes is the seed is always in the middle and you can tell where it is by looking at the pointiest part of the mango. So right here, I'm gonna take my mango and I'm just gonna cut down the side and then we're left with one cap of the mango. I like to take a glass. I know it sounds crazy, but just watch. And we are going to run the edge of the mango on the glass and slide it through. Look at that, it's clean. You're left with a beautiful piece of mango. And then I'm simply going to julienne it like this, about 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch thin. I have some done here, so all we have to do is assemble our salad. So I have here some gorgeous red bell pepper, carrot, purple cabbage, so I'm just gonna put that into the bowl as well. And then here I have my vinaigrette. It's super simple, 3 key ingredients, smells so good. What I love about this is for those busy summers, it's great because you can pack it into a container and put it away and it honestly gets better as it sits. Look at these tenders, perfectly breaded and crispy. You hear that sizzle? Oh my goodness, look at that color. I'm gonna eat. You guys can do whatever it is you wanna do at home, but I do encourage you to give this a try. Thanks guys, enjoy. Bye.